Welcome to our video on how to write a storyboard. Whether you're working on a film, animation, or any visual project, a storyboard is your roadmap to success. Let's dive into the process. Hi there, I'm May, and today I'll walk you through the steps to create an effective storyboard. Let's get started. First things first, you need to understand the story you're working with. Read through the script or outline to get a clear picture of the narrative, key scenes, and overall flow. Step 1. Understand the story. Make notes of important scenes, character actions, and any specific details that are crucial to the plot. Step 2. Choose your format. Next, choose a storyboard format. You can go with traditional hand-drawn panels, digital templates, or even storyboarding software. Pick what suits your project best. For digital storyboards, software like Storyboard That or Adobe Illustrator can be very helpful. Step 3. Create panels. Now start creating your storyboard panels. Each panel represents a key moment or scene. Draw simple sketches to visualize actions, camera angles, and character positions. Don't worry about detailed artwork at this stage. Focus on capturing the essence of each scene. Step 4. Add descriptions. Under each panel, write descriptions of what's happening. Include details like dialogue, camera movements, and any special effects or notes. This helps everyone involved understand exactly what's happening in each scene. Step 5. Sequence and review. Once you have all your panels, arrange them in sequence to see how the story flows. Make sure there's a logical progression from one scene to the next. Review your storyboard with your team or collaborators. Get feedback and make any necessary revisions. Step 6. Final touches. Finally, add any finishing touches. Ensure your storyboard is clear and easy to understand, with legible descriptions and well-organized panels. With these steps, you'll have a solid storyboard ready to guide your project from start to finish. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you create fantastic storyboards for your next project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Happy storyboarding!